Hello,
Go all the way around. Along the lift bridge. That thing is just going way too fast. The left bridge is in, but it's not completed. Still got a bit of work to do to it. I managed to get my box of rail. So she's all the way around now. Just got a few niggly bits I've got to fix. But that's life. We've got the KATO bridge. That's actually pretty good. Everything's running. It's not 100% wired up. All this middle section in front of us, that's all wired up, but it's not connected into the main grid. But we're slowly getting there. That's pretty cool, it actually catches itself. Well, like I said, the bridge is in. It is wired up, but it's not wired up into the main grid yet. But we are getting there with it. So all I've done is two dowels. Two dowels in the two holes. And just give it a little, and she's in. She doesn't move. Now the crossovers are in. Put a point in. So we'll have something industrial down here. It should pick up speed when it gets to the other side. Now she decided to stop. But all the yards in. Both sides are completed. Plus the two main outside for the two long trains. So there's quite a bit of track here. The controller's overheated because it doesn't like running 5 locomotives, which is fair enough. So she's all in. Few teething problems here and there like normal. The KATO bridge is actually really nice. It's very well. Yeah, I was happy with that. And even up here, I'll put a small, just one crossover in. And so there's a point coming off here, which is just going to curl around into here. There'll be some industrial sign up the top. So the next job is this corner. So from the bridge all the way around So over there, that's got to be reshaped. It's a bit, yeah, some spots are too tight. It just doesn't play very well. So we'll get that fixed. Same with this corner here where the tunnel was. I've redone all that. So this corner now, up the top here, it's a nice gentle flow, which I'm happy with. But we're getting there. The only main problem I've got is these controllers don't like running 5 locomotives, which sucks because I need 5 for these double stacks. There's 13 of them, or there's 14. So yeah, I decided to drop one on the ground, so yeah, I've got to fix that one. Because of this grade here, it's only 2%, but you're going from flat ground up to that point there, which is 5.5 inches, and yeah, 4 KATO locos won't pull it, so I've got to have 5. I might invest in some of those traction tyres, I think they are, and try that out, see if I can knock it down to at least 3, because it's, yeah, I reckon it'll look good with 3 anyways. But we'll see what happens. They're both going different directions, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, you can see when she starts climbing up this part here, when all 13 of them are come up in the ground, you can really hear her work. She doesn't like it. Racing downhill. Well, enjoy.